Have you ever heard someone say, "I'm on cloud 9"? What do you think that means? Are they actually sitting on a cloud in the sky? Let's find out what this popular English idiom really means. Listen to these examples and try to guess the meaning of on cloud 9. Sarah was on cloud 9 after getting accepted into her dream university. He's been on cloud 9 ever since he won the championship. I was on cloud 9 when my family surprised me with a birthday party. She was on cloud 9 after receiving the job offer she had been waiting for. The children were on cloud 9 when they found out they were going to Disneyland. What do all of these examples have in common? Let's look at a hint. Imagine someone floating high above the ground on a soft, fluffy cloud. They look incredibly happy and have a huge smile on their face. If someone is this happy, what do you think on cloud 9 means? On cloud 9 means extremely happy, excited, or joyful. When someone says they are on cloud 9, they are saying that they feel incredibly happy because something wonderful has happened. It is an informal expression that is commonly used in everyday English. Here are 5 similar expressions that native English speakers use. Over the moon. She was over the moon when she found out she had won the competition. On top of the world. After graduating from university, he felt on top of the world. Walking on air. After hearing the good news, she was walking on air all day. Thrilled to bits. My parents were thrilled to bits when I told them about my promotion. On a high. The team was on a high after winning the championship. Now it's your turn. Can you write a sentence using on cloud 9? Think of a time when you were extremely happy. Post your example in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Want to learn more English idioms? Check out our idiom playlist and subscribe for more English lessons